Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Roblox account you control. Make sure you have the child's date of birth and email nearby. Once signed in, go directly to the gear icon and open Settings, then Account Info and Privacy sections. You do this now so the platform shows age-appropriate defaults and parental controls. If prompted, verify the account email. This unlocks safety features. Once done, stay on the Privacy tab and prepare to adjust chat, friend, and content filters for the account. You now turn on account restrictions to enforce Roblox's safest preset. This locks many settings at once. Next, in Privacy, set who can chat and who can join me to friends or no one. These choices reduce exposure to strangers. Then review contact info and ads preferences and disable sharing where possible. Make sure to save each change. The interface sometimes requires confirming. If your child's account shows limited options, it may be under a younger DOB. Double-check the birth date and correct it only if needed. Finish by enabling two-step verification to prevent unauthorized changes. This protects those parental settings. You should test the new controls. Use a second device or ask a trusted friend to attempt chatting or joining to confirm restrictions. If something doesn't apply, sign out, clear the browser or app cache, then sign back in. Many settings need a fresh session to take effect. If problems persist, check that the account email is verified. Unverified accounts can limit parental control visibility and adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.